Swagelok has a wide range of expertise when you look at how we're able to produce high-quality product. And that starts with material science. We have experts here on hand, but that also translates directly into we do the vast majority of the machining, the assembly, any of the chemical processing, product testing. So if, for example, you have an issue with machining, you can go right to the material science experts, which ends up giving you a better product at the end. So we're able to look at the entire value stream, and we can tweak it to get closer to perfection of a high-performing product. And that ties into the expertise we have at every one of those steps, from the manufacturing engineers to the assembly engineers to the product engineers. And that breadth of talent, but yet depth of expertise, really helps bring together a better product.